Hello and thanks for joining us on TVC News at 4. I am Theophilus Ilama. We start off with judicial matters where Justice Akintunde Savage of the Lagos State High Court, sitting in Ikeja, has adjourned till March the 17th to hear an application brought by several traders at Owode Oniri Old Motor Spare Parts Markets, whose shops were demolished last year. The traders are seeking to set aside the court's earlier ruling delivered on June 20th, 2024, which they say led to the alleged invasion and demolition of parts of the markets. Femi Falana has more.
The traders belong to the Agbajowo Market Association operating within the Owode Oniri Old Motor Spare Parts Market on Ikorodu Road, Lagos, which they say they have been occupying since 1979, after it was allocated to them by the Lagos State government. Represented by their lead counsel, Femi Falana, SAN, they are seeking to join the present suit and wants the court to set aside its earlier ruling delivered in June 2024, which they say led to the alleged invasion and demolition of parts of the market in August 2025. They argue that no court process was served on them in the original suit instituted by 1BI Olowu, said to be the judgment creditors, against Shomolu and Koshofe local governments, the judgment debtors, in which judgment was delivered in 1998. According to them, the court was misled to issue the ruling upon an ex parte application brought by non-claimants to the original suit. On Thursday, hearing in the application for joinder was stalled, owing to the failure of the counsel for the judgment creditors, Olabode Oladimeji, to pay the default fees in the filing of his counter-affidavit to the applicant's motion on notice. As a result, the judge ruled that the application wasn't ripe for hearing and awarded costs of 25,000 naira as penalty against the judgment creditor in favor of the judgment debtors. During the hearing, Mr. Falana also requested the removal of the picture of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu hanging over the seat of the presiding judge, saying the picture was menacing for a litigant who is suing the state government.
It shouldn't be so. Once you have the logo of the Lagos state government, that's sufficient, because we sue the government from time to time. And in this particular case, we are challenging the CFO, Certificate of Occupancy, issued to a local SCDA, while this case was already pending.
Following the advice of the judge, the senior advocate says he will write a petition to the chief judge over the issue. The case is adjourned till March 17. Femi Falana, TVC News, Lagos.